Welcome everyone, you may be in a situation where your iPhone isn't installing applications. This tutorial will cover the steps you can take in order to fix this issue. So the first step is trying a reboot. So sometimes you may have cache on your device and this cache may have glitched out, and every time you try and download an app, it fetches the cache, is corrupted and the app's not downloading. So all you need to do is just open up settings, then find general, and then scroll down until you see shutdown. Tap on this one right here, slide to power off. Give it 10 seconds or so, then hold down the power button and then your device should restart. Then you just go to the App Store, retry downloading the applications, and if that doesn't work, we're going to move to the next step. So I want you to open up settings, and then I want you to find general, and I want you to find about. And just make sure you actually have enough storage to download this application. So you can see I have 22 gig. If you're trying to download an app which is like 8 gig, okay, you're good to go. But if you have 10 gigs of storage available and you are trying to download an 8 gig application, some apps from the App Store require more storage than they claim, and the reason why is because it's going to download the files, then they unzip the files. So usually you need double the storage which the application requires. Therefore, all you need to do is just go back, tap on iPhone storage, and then in this page right here you can see offload unused apps. You can just tap on enabled and that will offload some applications. And also you can see all these applications right here. You can delete those to save some storage. You can also go to the photos application. If there's any photos, videos, especially 4K videos, they take like a ton of storage, you can delete those as well. Then try again and see if that works. If that doesn't work, you want to check for any offloaded applications. So you saw earlier, if I go to settings, you saw this offload unused apps. If I just tap on enable here, what this will do is it will mean that some apps will stay on my device, but you can't open them. And if you have these offloaded applications, these may cause some issues. So for some reason, I can't actually see them on the home screen, but usually there will be an application and then they'll have like this little download icon next to it. And if you see an app which has that download icon, you may want to delete it. So I honestly cannot find an offloaded application, but if you have one on your device, I recommend you delete those offloaded applications and then try and re-download and see if that will fix the issue. Also, what you want to do is make sure that these applications are actually from the App Store. If you're trying to sideload third-party applications through the other websites, Apple will block those downloads. And the reason why is because when you download from the App Store, all the apps are verified by Apple, they're completely safe. When you download from third-party websites, these websites use a loophole in Apple's enterprise program. And of course, if you're using a loophole, Apple's going to patch the loophole. This means that Apple's going to block the downloads from those third-party websites. And so the best bet is if you're going to use third-party websites, third-party app stores, just follow the Twitter accounts. They'll always have Twitter accounts of these third-party app stores, and they will always tweet when their applications are up and running, when the applications are working again. You just go back on the website, download the applications. You can see I have sideloaded AltStore, Delta, all that good stuff. These applications worked. You can see they're downloaded, no issues. And you just need to wait for them to tweet that, saying the apps are working. And then once you see that tweet, you can download the applications and you're good to go. No need to guess anymore. So really, that's everything you can do. If you're having an issue where the applications are crashing on launch, and they're from the App Store as well, that's mainly because of Facebook's API. Facebook's API always goes down, and what that means is any application which allows you to sign in through Facebook will just crash. So you just need to wait a couple of hours. That will solve the issue. And so really, that's everything you need to know. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.